Gone vertical. You smell it? Can you smell the engine? Whoa, look at that, he's coming straight down. Whoa. Sheesh. Oh my god. It's a fighter jet. Very well trained. Because when you turn like that, you get so much G-force, it squashes you against the wall.
What? Actually?
Yeah.
It's like when you go on a ride and
You know when you're when you're on a roller coaster and it pushes you to the side, that's like 1,000 times more than that.
Do you think it's fast when they go straight up?
Yeah, it's so fast. Look, look, look. Whoa. He's doing another one, a big climb. Wow. Whoa, it does the engine. You see the engine?
That goes to a different country now.
This one's from Italy, but it's the Eurofighter. So this is the best fighter jet that we have in Europe.
Is it going to Italy?
No, we'll land here. They've been here all week. This is the most modern one. Like, you know the one that goes over our house is the Spitfire. That's like really old, like 100 years old. This is the most modern one, the latest one. Like, imagine this was chasing a Spitfire. Which one do you think would be quicker? What? You think the Spitfire would win? Yeah, it could do. Look, let's have a look what he's going to do now. Look. Look at this, Hugo. Look. Bang. What do you think, man? Farnborough Airshow. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Only this thing.
This is the best one.